Hi everyone, my name is Norberto D. Lucina, 19 years old, and I am BS Forestry, a student here at CSU. This semester, I took SE 101, and let me tell you, it was quite the journey. One of the biggest challenges I faced was time management. Balancing my coursework and social life proved incredibly difficult, especially during the initial weeks. I often felt overwhelmed and struggled to dedicate enough time to each task, leading to late submission and missed deadlines. This directly impacted my adherence to CSU academic integrity policy. The pressure to meet deadlines sometimes tempted me to cut corners, but I quickly realized that compromising my academic integrity wasn't worth the risk. I learned the importance of planning ahead by prioritizing tasks to avoid such situations. To come over this, I focused on developing my problem-solving and adaptability skills. I started using time management tools like planners and to-do lists. I also learned to adapt my study habits based on the demands of each assignment. By the end of the semester, I had significantly improved my time management skills. I learned to prioritize tasks, break down large assignment into smaller, manageable chunks, and allocate specific time also for studying and other activities. This not only improved my academic performance but also reduced my stress levels considerably. SE 101 taught me valuable lessons about time management, academic integrity, and the importance of self-regulation. I am grateful for the challenges I faced as they helped me grow and develop essential skills for future academic success. Thank you.